in whispers, soft as the night's embrace. Your name dances through the air, trace a melody so sweet it seems, the sound of your name where love begins. Oh, hear the echoes of a love profound, and every syllable that I have found. The sound of your name rings out clear. It's music to my ears, precious and dear. A whispered secret on the breeze. Your name, it calms the restless seas. In every note that I recall, I hear you speaking love in prose. Listen to the symphony of affection, a harmony beyond expectation. The sound of your name resonates deep inside. It's a melody my heart cannot hide. In every beat and gentle sway, your name echoes in this tender ballet. Like waves on the shore, it comes to me, a lullaby of love, ever so free. Listen closely, hear my heart's plea. The sound on your name sets us free. It's a song that only we can sing in this world where our hearts belong. Your name is music in the silence, a whispered promise of love defiance. With every breath that fills my soul, the sound of your name makes me whole. Listen to the symphony so grand, all a story written by life's hand. It's a melody that forever stays. In the sound of your name, our hearts sway.